Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to Berlin, one of Europe's most captivating cities. Brace yourselves, because we're diving headfirst into the vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and architectural wonders that is Berlin. Get ready to be blown away by its historic landmarks, as we unravel the secrets that lie within. Let's begin. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Berlin, where the past and present collide in a fascinating way, Brandenburg Gate. This iconic symbol of unity has witnessed countless historic moments, from Napoleon's triumphal entry to the reunification of Germany. Take a moment to marvel at its neoclassical design and imagine the echoes of history that reverberate through its columns. Just a stone's throw away, we find ourselves in front of the majestic Reichstag building. Ascend its glass dome for an unparalleled panoramic view of the city. This architectural gem is a testament to Berlin's resilience, rising from the ashes like a phoenix after World War II. Today, it stands as a symbol of democracy and a reminder of the city's unyielding spirit. Everyone who visits Berlin should stop by the Berlin Wall Memorial. Once a harrowing symbol of division, it now stands as a powerful reminder of the triumph of the human spirit. Explore the preserved sections of the wall, adorned with vibrant murals and touching tributes. Stand where history was made and reflect on the courage and resilience of those who fought for freedom. Prepare to be transported to an era of grandeur as we step onto Museum Island. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to 5 extraordinary museums, each offering a unique glimpse into art, history, and culture. Lose yourself in the captivating exhibits of the Pergamon Museum, where ancient civilizations come alive before your eyes. Marvel at the masterpieces in the Bode Museum, and immerse yourself in the world of classical antiquity at the Neues Museum. Our next destination takes us to a place of immense historical significance, Checkpoint Charlie. Once a focal point of Cold War tension, this former border crossing now stands as a symbol of hope and freedom. Visit the Checkpoint Charlie Museum and gain insight into the daring escape attempts and the stories of those who risked everything for a chance at a better life. Berlin carries the weight of history, and nowhere is this more apparent than at the Holocaust Memorial. Designed to evoke a sense of unease and reflection, this labyrinth of 2,711 concrete slabs stands as a haunting tribute to the 6 million lives lost during the Holocaust. It serves as a stark reminder of the atrocities committed and a call to ensure that history never repeats itself. Finally, we find ourselves in the opulent embrace of Charlottenburg Palace. Let your imagination run wild as you wander through its grand halls, adorned with stunning Baroque and Rococo architecture. Stroll through the picturesque gardens and transport yourself to a bygone era of kings and queens. And there you have it, Berlin, a city that wears its history like a badge of honor. From Brandenburg Gate to Checkpoint Charlie, this captivating metropolis has left an indelible mark on the world. As always, thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below telling us about your favorite Berlin landmark. Until next time, happy travels.